Hi everyone, this is where the quality and the precision built into the machine. We oversee each step to guarantee the performance you rely on. Let's go. Here is the machine housing assembly line. We assemble every machine cabinet here. And here we start to connect the machine inside parts, power supply, control board, and here we start connect all the lights, wiring, labeling. You can see here. And here we start test and adjust the machine parameters. You can see they start the marking size. Start adjust the machine. Yeah, we start inspection the machine, follow our standard procedure. Hi, here is our standard inspection procedure. Now we start to adjust the laser marking size, focus height, we use high-quality laser machine parts. For example, you can see this is the high-speed laser head. We integrated the red lighting indicate into this head. It will be more easy to locate your marking content here. And another, we use the dust-proof and waterproof plug-in. You can see this is a USB rotary device and the foot switch and the power connector. Before each machine ships, it undergoes many hours testing. This ensures the power and durability. HeatSign is known for. Let's see it. This is the laser power test device. We will start to test the machine actually output power here. From our factory to your floor, we are ready to deliver. You can see all this machine is ready to package here. Our powerful supply chain means the solution you get right when you need it. Or this packaging machine is ready to go around the world. A strong partnership is the foundation of a great product. Together, we are committed to delivering the best laser solutions in the industry. This is the research department. Let's go.